That. Hey, wild child. Hello, skinny wild child. How are you?
Wants to play with Blue? Come on, buddy. This is Rex. Hello, Rex. Rex came in today for board and train. Hey, buddy. Pay attention. Sit. No, sit. No, sit. That's not sit. Oh, God. Sit. He's a big puppy. He's a big puppy. Good boy. So we're going to be working with him. Come on, wild man. Hi. Sit. Good, sit. Good job. No jumping. Hey, Twitter pated. Sit. No. Sit. Oh, you're a wild man. Sit. No. Hey, focus, grasshopper. Sit. Good, sit. There we go. Good job. So, Rex will be fun. Sit. Nope. Sit. Good job. Ouch. He just came in today, so he got a lot to learn. Free. Good boy. But I know his family's going to miss him, so we'll get some video of him as much as possible. Come on, buddy. Hi. Hey, oh, wait for me. Come here. Come here. Okay. Shh. Oh, God. Come here. We got to talk. Sit. No. Hey, sit. Good. Good. Nice job. Very good. That's good. Good. I have faith that Rex will be a good boy. Hey, and stop pulling. You're going to kill yourself. Come here. Sit. Good. 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 Sit. Good. Shh. Good boy. Good job. Watch. Good boy. Rex. Hello, ADD. Sit. Rex. Hello. Hey, Rex. Sit. Good. God. Rex is a wild man. Come here, bud. Hi. Sit. Sit. No, I don't want your paw. Sit. Good. Good boy. No, it's a bird. Hey, ADD boy. Sit. Sit. Good down. Good job. Good. See the bird? Good. Sit. Watch. Good boy. Good job. Watch. Good. Good boy. Watch. Don't be pushy. Hey. So Rex has puppy ADD, and that's okay. He is also a tank, so. Hello, pretty boy. Sit. Good down. He is a beautiful boy. Good job, buddy. Good job. Look at those ears. Look, you missed a treat right there. Good boy. So, typical puppy stuff. That was a rock. You didn't need to eat that. No self-control. Super exuberant guy. Yanking, pulling, jumping on people, mouthing. We don't need to run everywhere we go. Hey. No. Alright. Until you learn, we'll just do it this way. Okay? Till you learn, we'll do it this way so you don't yank me. I know, that sucks, doesn't it? But, you know what? Keeps you from pulling me. And it keeps you from killing yourself. Oh, you're frustrated. I know. It sucks when you can't pull people. Hey, wild thing. It's just a belly band. Come on, let's go. You can't pull me this way. See? See how much easier that is? Look, you're already trained. Nah, probably not. Go. Hyper exuberant puppy coming. Come on, Rick. Look, there's Terry.
Hey, what you doing?
There's Terry. Good down. Sit. Ugh. Why are all dogs confused by this? It's like a ball, but it's not a ball. Is it confusing?
Hey.
Come on, buddy. Get out of the closet.